Hi guys, my name is Anna. Welcome to Hype Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you my tutorial to Hips Don't Lie by Shakira. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and get in the comments and let us know what you'd like to see next. Any song requests, we're happy to take them. Okay, we're going to jump right into it. So I'm going to teach you the whole routine, and afterwards you can go and find the video. I'll have it linked somewhere for you at the end to go and try it with music. So it starts, you're going to be tapping your right heel and then your left heel, just like this. So you're going to tap heel, heel, okay? Your arms are going to roll in towards you. So that's going to go 1, 2. And you can kind of see when my heels are on the floor and I'm rolling, my legs are extended. Extend. When they come in, they bend. And extend and bend. Okay? So one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Good. From here, you're going to step with the right foot. 3, 4. And with this, it's supposed to be a hair whip, but my hair is up right now. When you do watch the video, you'll see it makes a pretty cool hair whip there. So you're just stepping out onto a bent leg, whipping the hair, and bringing it all back in. All right? So that went 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to do some salsa steps, keeping the arms here. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll notice after I've done my salsa to the side and I come in, I'm just bouncing off of those heels, and then the other side, and a little bounce, okay, just to get that center. So that's our first count of 8. Let's try that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, we'll do that one more time, a little bit faster, and then we'll move on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Okay, from there, 7, 8. You're going to hit with a heel again at the front. 1. Take the foot to the back. 2. So this is right leg. The video has been mirrored, so you should be on the same leg that you can see right now, but just in front on the right leg, crossing those arms, taking it back. Okay? So 1, 2, you're gonna turn now facing the right and rolling the head. 3, punch, 4. Okay, so just slowing that down a little bit. 1, 2, I'm just twisting my feet to the side, dropping my head to the left first, gonna roll underneath. 3, as I punch up now, so I'm gonna start to lean towards the back. I'm gonna bend my knees so I can pop that heel. At the same time, I can punch the arms. 4. All right, one more time, a little bit faster now. 5, just from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Moving on, let's finish this 8 count. You're going to slide onto the left leg, bringing your right arm up and over. 4, it's going to go 5, 6. So my left is sliding, my right then pivots over, so now I am facing the left side. Okay? So again, that went 5, 6, last 2 counts, finish this 7, 8. You're going to just be pivoting back, back. Okay? So you're here, 5, 6. It's going to go 7, 8. And arms, like you can see, they're just pulling back and pushing front. Pull, push, pull, push. Okay, good job. That's 2 counts of 8 done already. Let's slow it down and tie that together with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. Let's do that one more time. And then if you guys need to pause and rewind and do it a couple more than that, that's fine. You can meet me back after you're done. So one more time all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. All right, if you need to pause and go back, we'll see you in a bit. So we went 7, 8. From here, second part of the dance, you're gonna hold for count 1, hold 1, you're gonna jump 2, then you're gonna flick 3, 4. So again, we just went 7, 8, hold 1, jump 2, flick 3, 4. And you'll notice with that, so I went from here, holding this position, switching it into fists that are just kind of meeting each other in the middle. And then my right elbow is gonna be up, up, up. And you'll notice that my head also accents with that. Hit, hit. Okay? Again, let's just go from our 7, 8. We went 7, 8, hold 1, jump 2, flick 3, 4. From here, you can put that foot down just ever so slightly because we're going to be traveling on there now. So you flicked, last flick. Now what you're going to do, your right hand is going to come around your head to snap out, okay? Around, snap. That's what the arms are doing. And your legs, you're going to go slide, snap, okay? So all together slowly, that's going to go flick, flick, and 1, 2. We're going to go back the other way. 3, 4. Now we have sometimes a lot of confusion in class about where your hand is starting and what direction it's actually going in. So I'll just clarify right now. Your palm of your hand should be on the left side of your face, and it's just going backwards as if you're brushing your hair back, and then you want to snap a straight line out. Same with the other side. So once I'm over here, palm to the right, brush the hair back, and snap. Okay? And that's another 8 count. So let's go from our 7, 8, and add that on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1. Jump 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice work. All right, we're going to move on. Like I said, if you need to pause, you do that. Moving on. You're going to step on the foot. Yes, the foot that is popped or should be popped, which is your right leg. And this is going to go 1. 1. Just a step to the forward, okay? 1. And at the same time, I'm just going to let my arm kind of fall down just so we're ready for the next part, because the next part catches us out a little bit. It's a little bit faster than the rest of it. So 1 and 2 is going to go and 2. And all that's happening is my left toe is tapping on the floor behind my right leg. And 2. Same time, I'm going to drop that right shoulder. Right shoulder. Boom, boom. So all together, this is going to go and 2. Quick and sharp, okay? So we went 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Good. Now taking that left leg, you're going to step kind of in a diagonal. 3, and then jump out. 4, 5. I'm just going to back up so you can see me a little bit better there. So we just did our 1 and 2, step 3, bring it kind of in and cross 4, jump out for 5. Again, I'll just do that cross part. I'm just kind of bringing my foot in and up, nothing too dramatic, just so it's easier for me to jump it out, and my arms are just crossing and out. All of that facing our diagonal, zoom, ha. Yeah. All right, again, let's go from our 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and 2. Step 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, let's finish just the 3 more counts that we have left. Or wait, hold on. 5, 6, yeah, we're almost there. So you just went boom, ha. You're now going to pivot 1, 2, 3, just so you're facing the front again. Boom, ha. And then it's going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay? All right, let's do that one more time. So we just jumped out. Your hands are kind of behind your, one's behind your back and the other one's just the side. And it's just going to rock. And they're both going to, like you're hiding your fists. Okay? Here. 1, 2, 3. You'll notice as well that my hips are coming up and down and up and down, up and down. From the side, you'll kind of see up, drop it down, up, down, up, down. And we're just doing it 3 times. So we went 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Okay, let us go from, how about we go from this 7, 8 here, all right? After that, we'll tie the whole thing together, and then we'll learn the last 8 count. We're almost there, you guys. So just from here, then we'll do it all together. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, jump 2, flick 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. All right. From the very top now, tying it all in together, and then we're going to finish it. Good job, guys. Keep with me from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, jump 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice work. All right, let us finish it, and then we'll run it all together one last time before you guys go and crush it with the music. So we just finished 6, 7, 8. Now what we're going to do is a 1 and a 2 and all that's happening, so you are here, and you're basically just shimmying now. So I'm going to bring both hands out, shimmy, 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 like this. And I'm going to go 1 and a 2 and. Sorry, I go right behind, right in front, okay? So right, the left foot goes behind, right, the left foot goes in front. So again, we just finished. Here, 8. I'm going to go 1 and 2 and. Now here my legs are crossed. So I'm going to use this 3 to unwind my legs. So naturally you should feel you can't go this way, so you can only go the one way, okay? So you're going towards the right shoulder. At the same time, you're going to hair whip this around. 3, yeah, and you end here. You're going to drop it down here. That's going to go 3, yeah, drop on 4. Sorry, so again, we just finished our shimmy. It goes hair whip 3, drop 4. You're going to kind of twerk it back. Whew. Get that butt out. Twerk it back. 5, 6. And you'll notice that I'm pivoting twice as well. So we went 5, 6 to face the side. Let's just do this last 2 counts. Stick with me. You can drop now into this a little bit to hit that out. So it's going to go 7, 8. And then you're done, okay? So just let me clarify those last counts. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. So that's pretty fast. And 7, and 8, and. Okay? Let's tie in those last counts. Let's go from our 6, 7, 8. So we are here. We go. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, down, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 2. Nice. All right, you finished. You're done. Okay, let us go from the very top. We'll do it once slow, and then we'll do it once to what I believe is tempo, and then I'll let you guys go try out the real thing with the video, okay? So slow first, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1. Jump 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. All right, good job. Here we go, full tempo, and then you guys can pause, rewind, whatever you need to do, or you go try and get it with the music. So full tempo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, jump 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Ooh, all right. Good job, my friends. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the link somewhere here for you guys to go and watch what we did in our class video, and that way you can go and see how it goes with the music. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like the video, comment, talk to us, let us know what you liked, what you didn't like, or what you want to see. And yeah, thanks for joining me. See you next time.